It was the best. 6 liter. We just fixed a wiring problem on this Yukon XL. Can we fix this with duct tape? We need a major roll of Project Farm. He does some good videos. Listen to this. Project Farm duct tape. I go all over the country to junkyards. Hither and now, or hither and thou. I don't have to go very far. Just it rolled into my shop. Yeah, I've already sprayed the crap out of it. You know what the charge is? Just leave me your checkbook. Well, I don't know. I was trying to fix an AC Cobra yesterday. I don't think the fluid film's gonna fix this baby. Let's just fill it up. You didn't see that AC Cobra. The guy's wife couldn't get out of the AC Cobra because the door latch wouldn't work. So she jumped out of it like Starsky and Hutch. And he came over a few minutes later and he was spraying WD-40 at it. I said, put the WD-40 away, throw it in the garbage. Spray it in your worst enemy's eyes or the Chevy guy that beat you. But what you need is the latch to be repaired. No PB blaster, no WD-40, not even fluid film is going to fix your problem. You need to fix the latch. Whatever's wrong with the latch had to be fixed. And that CX, whatever it was, 289 Cobra, needed some TLC on the tractor door latch. It was a tractor door latch, just like an MG. Alrighty. That's the best we can do for now. Alloy wheels, and let's look at the brake line on this baby. Yukon XL. Just had a brake line put on from the front to the back, but I would have gone a little further. Right, Mr. Spiked Punk? And I would have changed that one. What do you think? Pretty nasty looking. Yep, I would have changed them all. I don't know, wouldn't have put calipers and rotors on it. Not worth it. Just needed a brake line, which has been replaced right there. But I think these are next. And a battery. And a trip to the junkyard when the differential starts leaking and seizes. Original spare tire. Alright, we fixed our wiring. All nice and fixed. Everything's working.